Welcome to Arnott Suspension Products. In these installation instructions, we will walk you through the replacement of an Audi A6 Allroad Quattro C5 front air strut with a new Arnott air strut. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Set the steering to straight ahead. Locate and remove the 3 top bolts under the hood. Then raise the vehicle and remove the applicable front wheel. The next step is to remove the pinch bolt from the front of the control arms. Then remove both ball joints from the front suspension link. Remove the remaining air pressure from the front air strut. To deflate the air strut, carefully remove the air fitting from the top of the air strut. Remove the airline fitting from the airline and discard it. With the air pressure gone, remove the lower shock bolt and carefully remove the shock assembly from the vehicle. You will need to reuse the top cast aluminum shock cap from the old strut. Use a 12-point Torx bit to remove the upper 6 shock mounting bolts and remove the shock cap. To start the installation, remove the new O-ring from the bag and lubricate it. Install the lubricated O-ring into the face groove located on the top side of the air strut. Then replace the cast aluminum shock cap and install the bolts provided in the kit. Install the shock assembly onto the vehicle and install the lower shock bolt and nut. Tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications during the installation process. Continue by connecting both ball joints to the front suspension link. Install the pinch bolt and nut to the front of the control arms. Then replace the 3 top bolts under the hood. The final installation step is to remove the white shipping pin and insert the airline into the air fitting until it is properly seated. Secure the airline out of the way of heat and moving parts. Now lower the vehicle and install the front wheel, and your installation is complete. Thank you for following our guide on replacing the front Audi A6 Allroad Quattro air strut with an Arnott part. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.